All right. You may be seated. Good evening. This is the time set for the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for May 8th, 2025. The course orders for the taking of fingerprints and DNA samples made on the 1st of this month will apply to all matters on this calendar. I will be calling each of you up into the courtroom and to the podium one by one, where I will ask you for your first and last name and your date of birth. I will then advise you to why you are here, whether or not an attorney has been appointed to you, and what your upcoming court dates are. I will advise you to what your bond is if you are eligible for bond, and what your release conditions will be. Some of you may have some questions while I'm providing this advisement. I just caution you that your questions should only be related to release conditions. Any questions regarding your actual case should be directed towards your attorney. The first person that I'm going to call to the podium is Jessica Kanat and Uriah Robinson. If you'll please have a seat in the chair. Jessica?
Right here.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Can you come in? Hi. So sorry. Can you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Jessica Conant, 2785.
Thank you. You are here today on a new case. You were charged with one count of possession of a dangerous drug, a class. That is a class 4 felony. I'm going to have to fix this. I just don't want to say. Okay. So you were charged with one count of possession of a dangerous drug, a class 4 felony, and one count of possession of drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. I did find probable cause as to both counts, and I did appoint an attorney to represent you. You will have a status conference hearing on May 14th at 8:30. You will then have a preliminary hearing on May 16th at 8:30. Because you were on felony release at the time that these alleged offenses occurred, you're not eligible for bond today by law. So I did schedule an evidentiary hearing for you for May 15th at 1:30. This completes my advisement to you at this time. The officer is going to bring you your paperwork. If you have no questions for me, if you'll please step to the left. Mr. Robinson, will you please come into the courtroom? And Mr. Samuel, if you'll please have a seat in the chair. Hello, can you please state your first and last name and your date of birth?
Uriah Robinson, January 8, 2007.
You are here today on a new case. You were